Society has royally fucked you. Here's how, and here's how to fix it. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 17, and I turn lazy people productive. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how society's fucked you and the solution to get out of this. To start, the education system has primed children to be unsuccessful in later life by not giving them any autonomy over the work they choose and the structure of time they use for it. Everything is set by a third party. All the teachers tell you what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, and it gives you no autonomy or no self-control over choosing what you want to do and setting and allocating time correctly to do so. And I believe this sets people up for failure in life, because when you leave the education system at 16 and you go to college or you drop out, you no longer have this third party setting structure. And you get chucked straight into the deep end of allocating your time correctly and ensuring that you get the work done without this accountability and preset structure. This, for a lot of people, is a big issue and they struggle with it a lot. I mean, I did when I first left education. At 16, I went to college. College has a lot looser of a structure, and you really have to allocate your time wisely to not only get the college work done, but progress outside of college. Setting your time is very hard, and if you don't start young, then you're priming yourself for failure in later life, because as soon as I leave college, there's no structure at all. There's nothing. I'm on my own, I'm in the deep end, and I have to allocate time wisely to not only battle procrastination, but ensure I get work done in a progressive manner to make progress in my life. Essentially, the education system screwed you because you have an over-reliance on third-party structure and no autonomy over your own time. Budgeting time and setting time for different tasks effectively is an incredible skill for later life, and education and the system doesn't allow it to thrive. It doesn't allow this skill to be produced and to improve, and I think that's where it's setting you up for failure, because as soon as you leave the system, as soon as you don't have that third party, not only accountability but structure, setting time, then you're fucked. You wake up the next day, you end up doing nothing all day because you don't know what you have to do, and you have no third party saying, do this, do that, do this, do that, and it just leads people down procrastination and inevitably leads them into a fat rut, limiting progress and halting your future, putting it on hold because you don't know the steps to get there. I believe this is one of the biggest issues that the modern youth face today, and I think it's going to lead to a lot of unproductivity and general dissatisfaction with life. The juxtaposition between maximum structure from third party to zero structure at all when you leave education and the system is priming you for unproductivity, procrastination, and getting into a rut of completing nothing. This stagnation will inevitably lead to an unproductive future and a life you don't want to live. So here's the solution. Planning your days. Starting young is essential. 14, 15, 16, I wish I would have started then. I'm 17, turning 18 tomorrow, and I wish I would have started younger, because having the autonomy and the self-discipline to plan your own days and allocate time for the tasks you need to complete is very important. It's essential almost, because you're building this skill from youth. You're building this day planning skill. Plan for 16, 17, 18. And then you have the autonomy. You've regained the control of your structure. And when you get dropped off on that deep end, when you leave education, you're prepared and you're primed for productivity, allowing you to get things done without not only the pressure from the third-party teachers, school and education system, but you have the structure in place to get the work done in the manner that you see fit. Not only this, but an accountability partner would be incredibly beneficial. Shout out to Toby. I would say he's my accountability partner nowadays. If you have someone to apply pressure to you just as the teachers and education system did so, then you'll find a lot of productive work seeps into your day. If you have someone nagging at you in the back of your ear and you feel you're disappointing them when you sit lazy scrolling, doom scrolling on your bed, then I believe it can be a good motivator to get productive work done and have that third party pressure, just as you've had all your life from 4 years old until 17 years old. You've had this constant nagging pressure to get the work done. If you replace the teachers with a friend, you can find it very beneficial. Find your accountability partner, and maybe if you put a comment in the description, then someone will reply. You can add each other up, and hopefully we can get a little community of accountability going. Yeah, just as I have Toby in real life, you can have a parasympathetic relationship, so online through screens, by dropping a comment in the description. People will reply, and you can meet each other up. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, and I can be your parasympathetic relationship accountability partner, then look at the top link in the description and book another meeting, as we were talking about previously. Listen, I know it's scary being dropped off from education system with no structure, no plan, and ultimate freedom over your time. A lot of people fall into ruts of unproductivity, and I pray you don't do that too. From 4 years of age, you have been trained to follow structure from third parties. You have been trained to have no autonomy of your time, no freedom to do what you'd like in the structure you'd like to do so. So when you leave, you don't know what to do. Productivity is a battle when you leave education, and I hope the tips in today's video have helped you at least become aware of the problem, and hopefully inspire you to start now, start young, and start effectively planning your days, finding accountability partners to stimulate that third-party pressure, and hopefully you don't fall into the rut of unproductivity, procrastination, and quite frankly, depression when you leave education. If you're looking to get more help from me on issues like this, if you're stuck in a rut, if you're unproductive, I'm not selling a course, I'm not doing any guru shit, I'm just trying to help you help yourself in the most productive and efficient manner ever. I'm hoping to give you tactical, productive advice so you can get out of the rut effectively. I'll give you tactical productivity advice, efficient tips that will help you get out of a rut or help you become more productive. I know how you feel, I've been there, and I can help you turn from lazy to productive in a very short amount of time. The top link in the description is where you can book a meeting with me. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.